All right, let's go visit the all ball crew. This is the winning hand here, folks. Here we go. All right, I highly recommend it. Hey, Liv, did a great job. After that wild ride, now we're going to do our town hall session, what we came for. Talk to the folks. It's really what's important. Good morning, everyone. It is amazing the transformation that's gone on here over the last year. Everything that's done, it continues to be absolutely one of our best performing divisions across the organization. It's a great visit. Time to go. Wonderful seeing everybody.